Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let's talk about how to connect Kabbage to QuickBooks. Now, connecting Kabbage to QuickBooks helps automate your bookkeeping, making tax time and financial planning a lot easier. So here's how to go about it. Step 1, log into your Kabbage account. Now just log into your Kabbage account at kabbage.com, and then you're going to navigate to the dashboard and go to settings or integrations. Step 2, you want to select QuickBook integration from the list of available apps. Just select QuickBook, and then you're going to click connect. Step 3, you want to sign in to QuickBook. Now just enter your QuickBook credentials and grant access to Kabbage. Step 4, choose your synchronization preference. And now you're going to select which data to synchronize. It could be transactions, invoice, payments, etc. Go ahead and choose your preference. Step 5, confirm and save. Now you're going to finalize the integration and let Kabbage import data from QuickBooks. Your accounts are now synced, saving you time and reducing errors in financial reporting. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.